Good morning. I'm actually rushing off. I'm always rushing off, but I actually always am rushing off to a day function. And since I post photos and people are like, "Ali, how did you do your makeup?" I decided let's just try and do makeup while I am actually getting ready. So first things first, what I always do is clip my hair back, my face, and let's start. So before anything, I am prepping my lips. This is, as always, the Elizabeth Arden 8-hour cream. I'm going to do this jaldi, and maybe even fast forward this if this turns into like a 10-minute short film. So first things first, what I will do is prime my skin. So this is the Smashbox primer. I'm actually using this because it's an indoor function and there's going to be no sun, so it's perfect. I'm just going to put this on my high points. And so how much I put now, like literally a dot, because you don't need more because I have moisturized my skin. Then once this is done, I always start with my eyebrows, remember? So I'm going to brush them out. And then I am going to take my brush. It's not a brush, sorry, it's a stylus. Remember I taught you this as well? Remember I did this in my video for eyebrows. I always do that just to get bubble. Right. Oh, okay, this is coming to an end clearly. And you see, I definitely am going to fast forward all this. Okay. And then I'm going to set them with the next, concealer. Actually, what I will do right now is I'm going to use my MAC concealer, but all I'm going to do is put the cream on so that I can pat on the Noone cream one last May. And I'll show you why I'm doing this also. So I'm just going to put this on right now, and last, once I finish everything else, I'm going to finish it off with the actual proper concealer. I'm going to use my Chanel foundation. This is by far the most lightweight foundation I've ever used. It literally turns into my skin within seconds, and you know what I'm talking about. Like, it's so lightweight, and I don't need medium to full coverage whatsoever. So if you're looking for a very light foundation which sort of just evens out your skin tone but doesn't look caked up, the Chanel foundation is pretty damn good. I bought it from duty free. You can buy it from the store or duty free. Someone's traveling. You're traveling. See, like it's just stunning. I love it. Now I'm going to move on to contouring. Contour is right now my best friend because I am a few pounds heavier. So I'm just going to go to the cheekbone. See, basically how you do it is here, so it will be above. And then one thing I learned from watching videos is you make a C. So try it at home. C. I sound like one of those booth film children who come. Contour done. Now I can move on to my blush, and you'll know why I do all this first, because if there's too much blush or if there's too much of contour, then your eyes, if they're too much, it looks crazy. So I'm using the Bobbi Brown powder pink pot rouge just on the apples of my cheek. Never forget my nose. Just a dot on the chin. I don't know why. I like it. Don't know why. Okay. Now